Hello, my dudes. Rob from OpenSource EV here, and today I am super excited to show you a product that's been in development for the last few months. This here is the NextGen phone mount for the Rivian R1T and R1S. Essentially, what it is a direct drop-in replacement for the left mount V2 and V1. It operates pretty differently though. The left mount V1 and V2 have this section here up on top. And what it does is it wraps over the top of the dash pad and it has a hook at the end to secure the entire mount in place. This operates much, much differently though. So instead of having that hook, it is multi-piece, and when you screw down the bolt, it wedges itself in the top of the air vent. And this does a couple of different things. Number one, it is significantly more secure. Number two is it is smaller and more OEM looking. This is the only bit that you see. Number three, it allows us to have smaller construction overall. Notice it's pretty tiny, and that means it uses less material, which means it's going to cost less than the outgoing model. And also because it's smaller, number four is it's going to ship less expensively as well. But there's one more thing. This mount that I've been showing you the entire time is actually for the passenger side. We're also introducing the driver side as well. Yeah, there's two. You can now have a phone mount mounted to the left of the driver's seat and to the right of the passenger seat. Let's go take a look at what these look like installed, and we'll come back and wrap up. Install the nut into this small part of the mount and place it into the area toward the center of the vehicle. Once it's installed, it should stay put. Insert the larger part of the mount as shown here for the outside of the vehicle. It should also stay put. Turning our attention to the ball, take note of the tabs and the seam. Insert the tabs into the hole as shown, seam down, and hold it in place. Screw all three parts together. It should only be snug. When you start to feel resistance, hold the ball in place so you don't torque the nubs off of the ball. Most phone holders install on these ball mounts like shown here, where it snaps on and then you have a retention nut. You should note that in this case, it is lefty-tighty, righty-loosey. Again, this should just be snug, so you can adjust it when needed. The OpenSource EV NextGen phone mount is available today for $13.95. Shown here with the Lysen phone holder that attaches to the 17mm version, this goes for $9.95. They ship starting at $3.60 a piece. And there is a special upgrade program for folks with the older V1 and V2 left mount that is significantly less expensive for the next few weeks. Thanks again for watching this video. This is Rob again from OpenSource EV, and I can't wait to see you again in the next one.